One of the functions that I absolutely love with this particular Panasonic convection microwave is the steaming function. Now this is really great because you can do things like steam a whole tray of beautiful Asian fish and Asian greens in like 15 minutes. You can also use the auto steam function so that the microwave itself will decide how long you need to cook it for. The other thing is that I can fit so many more dumplings in here on the one tray and get them cooked and steamed in just the one appliance. So you can use the steaming function on its own, or you can use it in combination with other settings as well. For example, the steaming plus microwave function will save you time. If you use the grill function with the steam, you're actually adding extra moisture as your food grills, so it keeps it nice and juicy and moist. And also if you're a baker, you're gonna love this because if you use the convection plus steaming combination, you get a fluffier crumb to your loaf. So many different ways that you can be using the steaming function on your Panasonic microwave oven.